David's Tech now. Hello friends, welcome to David's Tech now. Today I'm going to teach you how to share Whiteboard in Google Meet. So first things first, you click on New Meeting and click on Start an Instant Meeting. Let it load and perfect. Now I have turned off my camera and mic. Now we click on activities. You can collaborate, brainstorm and sketch ideas with whiteboarding. So before that, I'm gonna use my other user and join simply from there. Let's just paste URL. Let it load. Now I'll just turn off my camera and mic and click on Ask to join. Now I got an alert. Someone wants to join this call. David Chaudhary. Okay, I'll just admit him. I have joined from my other device. You can see I have joined here and David's Tech is there. So now I'll click on Start a new whiteboard. Creating jam. So someone needs access to this file. If you want to host a class, you can do view for your students, and in class you can also do edit. I'll just tell you why you can do also edit. So I'll just click on send. So over here in the chat it gave me a jam file, which is also known as whiteboard, a Jamboard. So as you can see, I have done no editing and that's why it's showing blank here. Now from the other area, if I make a text box and type, this is for if you want the students to edit. So I'll type 5 plus 5 equals to dash. Now you would be thinking, how will you do it? So if I'm a student, I'll just simply click on text again, keep it over here and type the answer 10. Simple. So this is how you can collaborate. And if you turn on the settings for viewing, then you can go in text and type 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 equals to 10. And now the students will see, yes, it equals to 10. And one more thing, you have to click outside to make an edit. And ta-da! And you would be thinking, if you draw this so much, and you want to erase them, you can simply erase this. But look, you're clicking and making a little erase. Look, it's showing where my cursor is going. But if you want just simply to go away, so you click on clear frame and ta-da! And you can also set a background here like blue lines if you want to show a notebook. And if you want, you can also connect some things, like there is a whiteboard kind of thing which you can get from online and order it, and you connect it with your USB device and you can actually draw in any kind of boards. Now I can even say 5 plus 5 equals to question mark. I'll adjust it and perfect. Now it will show us question mark. Now I'm a student. I'll just click on this. Now that there are blue lines, I can just simply type and do. And if you want to create a graph, you can do that too. So I'll just make a straight line. Oh yeah. This is a temporary line called laser. So this goes. If you want to mark some things and then it will go, like I do it fast. You can mark things, but now I'm gonna draw a line. One. I'm not really good at drawing straight lines, never mind of that. And perfect. Now if you want to show your students how to make a table, like you can do like this, and the text I can write question and another text box I can write answer. Now I draw this and I get it over here. Now I can easily add questions here, like 5 plus 5, and I click on enter. Then the next 10 plus 10, then enter 20 plus 20. Similarly, your students can also go in the text box and write the answers. So the first is 10, then they'll click enter, 20, then enter, and then 40. Simple. So now you can teach anything your students like that. And in your meetings also you can collaborate and show your employees new things. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in my next video. Bye guys.